Hi and welcome to another short video from Best Ultrasonic Cleaners. Today we're looking at just getting a focus there, the latest model to our range, latest addition to our range of models. This particular one is the 3 litre size. The reason I'm doing a short video on this one is because I think it represents tremendous value for money. It's got more functions than most, and they're certainly worthy of spending just a couple of minutes explaining what they are. Firstly, like all the machines we supply, it comes with a lid, and it comes with a basket for holding your odds and sods or whatever you want to clean. The important thing, with just a quick mention on the basket, is the size. This is the 3 litre machine, and people often ask, well, you know, what size do I need? And it's not really so much is it 3 litres, is it 6 litres, is it 10 litres? It's to do with the physical dimensions of what you want to put in here. And this is the basket. This is the bit that holds the thing you want to clean. So measure what you've got, either in inches or millimetres. You find all the measurements on our website. You've got the width, the length, and of course the depth. It doesn't matter too much if your thing sticks out of the top of the fluid, because you can always turn it upside down and put it in again. And to give you some idea of scale, we have a prop here, which, knocking it over, here we have a beer bottle. Tonight, ladies and gentlemen, we're looking at the Wainwright's Golden Ale. It's fantastic. However, I can tell you it's fantastic because the bottle is empty. But back to the job and task in hand. It's really just to give you an idea of scale on what the size of the basket really is. So that gives you an idea. Everyone knows how big a beer bottle is, so that particular 3 litre size gives you some rough idea. But to do it seriously, to do it properly, measure whatever you've got and make sure it'll fit in. Okay, so down to the machine itself. So we'll just pop it in there. I've already pre-filled the tank with some water, because whatever you do, never run an ultrasonic cleaner without any fluid in. It's a surefire, guaranteed way to break it. So just zoom in a little bit more, and there we go. So I'm going to turn it on and get it fired up. So straight away, all the LEDs spring to life. Now we've got the two displays here. Firstly, on this side, we have a time that the ultrasonic unit is going to be turned on for. You can turn it up or down using the commands here. So you can turn it up to a maximum of 99 minutes or down to as low as 10 seconds, I think, is the minimum time. For most things on ultrasonic cleaning, certainly carburetor wise, for example, which is a very popular item to clean, 20-25 minutes is normally more than adequate. The second display here, we've got kind of split in two really. This is the temperature. That is showing the target temperature. In this case, it's set at 65 degrees. The temperature on the left, because there's an invisible line down the middle, which is 22. That's the actual temperature in the tank itself. So it gives you you can see how far away you get to your target. And of course, eventually that would get up to 65. So they're both the same. And there you go. I'll just turn the heater on. There we go. So that's flashing now to say that the heating element is actually working and will bring the temperature up. Here we have ultrasonic heater, degassing. And I hear you say, okay, what's all that about? Well, degassing, basically, it runs a program to accelerate the removal of air from the fluid. But it's only really effective when you first put a change of fluid in. Because when you put a change of fluid in, like any fluid, it gets aerated, like running a tap in a bath really. So you need to get rid of the microscopic air bubbles, so that when the fluid's in your little port or bore in your carburetor, the water is effective and efficient as possible. And the degassing function will help enable that. So that's degassing. Sweep function alternates the frequency. It goes higher and lower, higher and lower, higher and lower, which means it cleans. It's a deeper clean, and all in all, it just makes the whole process more efficient and it's a function you normally only find on very expensive top-end machines. Finally, yes, we can just up or down the temperature. That controls both the temperature and the time. And then we've got finally this one. This is a variable adjuster for the intensity of the ultrasonic cleaning. I'll turn it on in a minute and you'll understand what I'm talking about, but for delicate things like if you're in gold leaf jewellery, then that will be the tremendous boost. So we'll turn it on. There we go, buzzing away. Little lights have come on to say that it's actually functioning. Oops, getting a focus. There we go. You can see, we'll put it onto the degassing. In a moment, you can hear it buzzing. It will stop. On, off, on, off, on, off. There we go. So it comes on and off, which again will, as I say, accelerate the removal of air. We'll turn the degassing off, so it's continually running. Sweet. Now I don't know whether the microphone will pick up the change of frequency. I'll stop talking. So there we go. It's alternating the frequency, which cleans, like I say, is a far deeper clean. And then this one, which is the adjustable, you can turn it up and down. I'll stop talking, so hopefully the microphone will pick up the difference. So that's increasing and decreasing the intensity of the ultrasonic waves that are coming from the, in this case there's two transducers on this side of the model. So all in all, this really is a premium product, as you say, at less than a premium price. Normally we pay a lot more for the functionality of the size of the machine. It's got dual language. We've got English in the bottom, of course, and on the top we've got the Chinese lettering, which, hey, I'm fairly certain that says ultrasonic, that says heater, that says degassing, and so on and so forth. It's made in China. Many things are. It's made to a UK specification, CE marked obviously, and of course comes with a 12-month warranty, so there's no issues or concerns on that front. So there we are. Like I said, this does come in a 3 litre, 6 litre, 10, 15, 20 and 30 litre size. They're all kind of standard sizes, all with the same functions, and all, in my mind, absolutely tremendous value. So thank you for taking the time to watch this short video, and I'll put a link to all our websites and this particular page on the YouTube posting. Once again, many thanks for watching. Bye for now.